Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Adalo, which is really nice no-code development platform software. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Adalo, and also we'll cover up the pricing so you exactly know what you are going to pay for Adalo. So what is it? Adalo is an app builder software that makes the process fast, seamless, and cost-effective for the creators. It allows users to create visually stunning apps by just dragging and dropping specialist design components. The users can also create their own design using the software, as it provides complete control of it. You no longer need to be a pro developer to bring something innovative to the ground. The software automatically adds interactions and configures all the databases without using codes. If the users already have an API, this software can integrate with that. It allows the owners to save their money that they are supposed to invest over hiring an experienced developer and use that to iterate their products. Through Adalo, the users can enjoy overall freedom to adjust, add, or even build a new app. Adalo has been able to carry on with their innovational spirit to date and solve programs that were once considered to be impossible. It's mainly made for small and medium businesses, for freelancers, and also individuals, so anyone can get a grasp of it. You can run it in your web browser, so you don't actually need to install it anywhere. And they are located in St. Louis, Missouri. When we are going to check the pricing plan, there is tons to choose from. First of all, you have to choose if you want to be billed monthly or annually. Obviously, with annual plan, you will save up 20%. And then monthly is a bit more expensive. But let's check out the features. There's a free option with 200 records per app, 1000 monthly app actions, and 1 app editor. The same you get with Starter, but you have 1 published app and 10,000 monthly app actions. With Professional, 2 apps, 30,000 monthly app actions, and 5 app editors, where you have all the free features plus. Then Team, you are going to get $200 and Business $250. It's all about the amount of people working in those teams. But for now, let's just take a sneak peek into this free version, where you have to start with your email address and password and full name. There is not an option for you to log in with third party like Gmail or anything else, so you have to do it manually. So what is the mobile? What is the preferred app? Okay, you can choose a template, directory, coaching, ordering. Let's go with a blank. And branding, app name. Let's go MK Tutorials, for example, and create. And here we are. After 2 minutes of setuping, the app and basically the login, we are already in. So what do we see? In the top right corner, we have a preview, share, and your account. Where are the settings? You can edit the team members. You can add more and more, usage and billing, and then the domains. And obviously the preview of the app that you want to create. This is like app name, which we don't have, but we can easily go with MK Tutorials, and we get rid of this one. And we can even add a magic test or change the colors. You want to make it bold, for example, and even more so. And here it is. Then we have the signups, and in the home button you can start create more and more. So we have the sign up one, and let's go and check the home one. Then on the left side, obviously, you have your dashboard where the magic happens. On the left side, starting with add components and add screens. With this component, you can go with most used, for example, a button or simple list or text. This text we can enter here. Let's try to make it more so we can, yeah, this is so small. Enter a text. Welcome to my app, for example. And then we can add more and more, which is not a problem. And easily, when you go with a preview, you see the sign up, for example, but you have to fill it in and then proceed with more options. This definitely needs more time to learn, so that's why we are going to create a lot of smaller videos, so you'll be quite in touch. Let's say it with the whole process, and then the settings, obviously. Database, settings, publish, and analytics, version history. If you want to add this and make it official, you really have only 200 records per app. With starter, you can publish one big app, like do whatever you want to in there, and you are good to go with creating your own apps. But you can just always create a new one. You go through the same stuff. Let's start with something we already have. Basic, or yeah, okay. And create. Like this, easily you can switch between the apps you are already creating. And we see that this one is more developed. But what is weird is I can't really move. I really need to use arrows on my keyboard to navigate through this app. And you see it's really complicated. There are ways, or there are conditions to work with each and every window that we are going to cover in the next video. And when you preview it, you see like date night, helping couples figure out what to do when they're bored. So you can log in or sign up and go like that. But obviously you have a couple of options that you can go with. For example, there are create date model, create dark page, date details, favorite dates, profile, and from profile go to edit profile model, for example. So yeah, it takes a lot of time, and we're going to go on this path together. If you have any types of questions about how to get into it and how to really learn how to create easy app without coding, we can do it together. So stay tuned, and I'll answer you to all of your questions that you can possibly have with Adalo. So leave a like and subscribe if you feel like, and also a comment if something's not clear for you and I can help you with. So far, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.